What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Let's get right into the trade recap. I traded PIC. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, man, make sure y'all do that for me. Do it right now. Okay. All right. Yeah, I finished up $4,000 on PIK. And the strategy I'm using, man, I'm just nailing the bottom. You know what I'm saying? And selling the rip. That's basically what I'm doing. All thanks to my indicator lines that you can't see on this screen right here, but it's on my other chart that I give to the family within my website, dcprt.com. If you're interested, you can go to the website and join me by trading. You know, I'll let y'all know my thought process. I'll be live on mic. I just opened it back up, so I don't have a lot of people in there right now, which is good. It's better to not have a lot of people in there, so I can focus on the people I have. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, just basically nailing the bottom and just making a lot of money off of it, man. A safe strategy. You know, it's not as risky. You know, because I'm not chasing it like a lot of traders do. I'm just getting in at the bottom and selling it into the rip. So nice strategy right here. And you need my lines. You know what I'm saying? You need my lines. Based off my strategy, using my lines helps out a lot, because you can see with a high probability where the stock could reverse and go in your favor. You know what I'm saying? It kind of lets you know where to get in at. Like, wait. Okay, get in. Boom. It don't go down no further than that by a lot. Then it rips up, as y'all can see right here. So let's get into it, man. Trader one star, made $4,000. You know, great day. So as y'all can see, PIC, I mean, big ass rip up, man, from freaking all the way in the threes, man. You know, in the threes, low twos. This thing ripped all the way up to $19, man. Faded all the way down to like 9, and it's due for a bounce, right? So pre-market, it was, you know, it was putting in a bottom. Let me go back a little bit. Okay, pre-market, it was putting in a bottom, as y'all can see right here. I'm gonna draw a line. It was putting in like around this 850 range right here. It was bottoming, right? Bottom, came up, came down a little bit past it, but bottom, came down, bottom. It just kept bottoming, man. So I got in, just took a quick scalp, man. Pre-market, I'm just trying to fill this stock out, you know what I'm saying? So I got in at 982 and got out at 1030, I think. Made a small profit, you know what I'm saying? Just to get myself, you know, some pocket change, you know what I'm saying? Had myself up. Wanted to wait till the open. I did. It ripped, right? At the open. Choppy, ripped, and then it dropped, right? This is what I tell y'all. I wait for the best possible entry off the lows. Y'all see it right here. Open, up, pull back. Y'all see I didn't get in nowhere right here, right? But I started getting in down here where it's starting to base out. How I knew that? Oh yeah, because my lines are sitting right here. Y'all can't see it because it's on my other chart, but the people that has my lines, y'all know what I'm talking about. But I use Thinkorswim as my main charting. So that's why I get my indicator lines at is Thinkorswim. But yeah, that's why I got in right here, because it was just basing right here and my lines were sitting right here. So I got in at 886, added at 898, added at 899, just get my shares up. Came down, still holding that level, and then boom, it went up, right? I sold it, took a profit, boom, nice gain right there. And then this thing just ripped, bro. I thought it was gonna rip into a halt, so I went in small size, you know, small risk right here. I chased it, so I'm a chaser. I'm going with small size. So I went in with small size at $10. It did go all the way up to 1070, man. I could have took a 70-cent profit right there and made like $1,000 some dollars. But I thought it was gonna halt and then skip up to probably like 11, 12 maybe. You know what I'm saying? It rejected real hard. And I said, oh shit. I got out quick. Got out, took small loss, and I was still up. I was up like $1,400. So I'm up $1,400 right now. So this thing pulled all the way down, right? But it's not down far enough because my indicator lines is down here in the like the 620, 630 area. So I was looking to get in at 630, right? So it came down. It didn't quite get there. So I'm waiting. I'm patient. I'm being patient, right? So it ended up doing this right here. Boom. Came down to 655. Close enough, man. So I thought, okay, that's it right there. So I ended up getting in. I started getting in when it started. You know, I was waiting for 630. But since it reclaimed and then it started holding up a bottom right here, I started getting in, man. And I was in, you know, pretty big, right? Right here, like 5,000 shares, right? It had a little pop, man, but I did not want that. I did not want that. I could have took that profit. That would have been like $2,500, right? And I would have been up like 3 something before I made my big ass gain right here. I just didn't take it, man. I didn't take it. I wanted more, and it ended up coming back down. So I still held it because it's still holding. You know, that's the beautiful thing. We use my lines. It gives you an opportunity to really look at the stock, and it gives you time to get out, take a small loss. You know, if it don't work out, you know, it's a safer strategy. You know what I'm saying? So I'm waiting, and then I seen it. I was like, oh, this thing finna break down. So I heard when it got out. I just went and got out. Got out at 680. Took an L on that, and I was up $250 now. So I went from 1,400 to 250. I'm up $250, right? I'm still looking at this thing though, because I feel like this move is gonna happen. As y'all can see, this big move right here, I thought it was gonna happen right here, but I figured this move was gonna happen at some point, and I did not want to miss out on it, right? So this thing ended up going down to my initial spot. It went to the 630s. That was my initial entry spot. You know, it did end up getting there. It did get there. I just had to be a little bit more patient, right? Once it touched that, I tried to get in, but it spiked up so quick that I missed out on it. But I said, this shit is finna rip now. It touched the bottom. It touched my lines. The rip is probably gonna come. That's what I told myself. So I just went in. I just went and got in. As y'all can see, it looked like a chase right here, but it's really not a chase because it's still at the bottom of the move before the move happened. So I don't consider it as a chase, even though it looked like a chase. I just went ahead and get in. I got in. I just went ahead and got in because I figured things were gonna rip. So I got in. Boom. Added more. Came down. Ended up ripping. Boom. These two big green candles. I was in 4,000 shares, and boom, bro. Like I just end up just crushing that trade, man. And just one trade made like $3,800, man, and it put me up $4,000. This big spike right here put me up $4,000 right here, man. And I said, I'm done. I'm good. I'm Gucci. My day is done here. Not a lot of people can make $4,000 in a matter of hours. You know, that's how I always humble myself. A regular 9 to 5, I've been there. I don't have $7.50 an hour jobs. You know what I'm saying? I know how that shit is. So, you know, temp services and shit, I've been there before, y'all. So I know how that is, man. So I'm thinking like, you're not making $4,000 in a day. at a 9 to 5, man. You're just not doing it. So let me be humbled. That's it. You know what I'm saying? I'm satisfied. That's a lot of money in a day. And I'm looking to flip that tomorrow and try to make 8,000, 10,000. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I was done, man. I wasn't gonna keep trading just because I had, was up a lot. You can easily lose that. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically it, man. And that's, man, that nailing the bottom strategy is hot like fish grease right now, man. I'm killing that strategy. I show y'all how I do it. I give y'all my indicator lines, all in my Discord. I got a course showing y'all everything I know, my setups, what brokers I recommend, everything I know about trading, man. It's all there, man. So if you're interested, go dcprt.com. Get with the team, man. I'm trying to grow the community back up. But I don't care, you know what I'm saying? I'm just focused on the people that want to learn and make bread, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing this for a while. So we're gonna keep this thing up, we're gonna keep this thing going. That's what I did for today. And we're gonna look to keep crushing it, man, and make this bread. Let's get this bread. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out of here. Peace.